friends, how are you? I hope you all are safe and fine. Today you can see my table, lot of things are on my table. There's a bag, beautiful bag, pen and pencil stand, the beautiful envelope which you can use to send letters or you can give as a gift in when you go to someone's birthday party or marriages. And there's a paper bag. See, there's a beautiful paper bag and there's a quilt. And all the things on my table are being made by using the old unused materials which was lying at my home. Means I have recycled old things to make new things. Like this old paper, old cloth strips which I have joined and made a beautiful bag. I used this newspaper to make a paper bag and pieces of cloth were sewn together to make a quilt. And this I made using a sellotape roll. Okay. So today we are going to learn why recycling is very important for our environment and how can we use old materials and make into new usable things. So children, let's start. Recycling. What is recycling? Why is it important to all of us? Let's learn in this session. Definition. To recycle means to treat or process used materials or waste so we can use these materials again. This stops us from wasting useful materials. Recycling is important because it reduces the number of fresh raw materials we use. It reduces the amount of energy we use. It reduces air pollution, water pollution and lowers the amount of greenhouse gases. Each ton of recycled paper can save 17 trees and 7,000 gallons of water. Did you know during your lifetime you will produce so much trash that it will weigh 600 times as much as you? This would fill many trucks. Examples of recycling. Reusing plastic bags when you go to supermarket. Recycling paper so it can be processed and used again. Melting food cans made from steel and making them into new food cans. Instead of throwing away uneaten food, you can compost it. Compost. Compost is a decomposed organic material. Compost is made with materials such as leaves, shredded twigs and kitchen scraps from plants. Compost is great to use in your garden. It returns nutrients to the soil and help your plants to grow. What do you think we can recycle? We can recycle paper, clean glass bottles and jars, flattened cardboards, paperboard boxes and clean cartons, clean steel and aluminium food and drink cans, empty clean plastic bottles and jugs. How are materials recycled? Materials are either brought to the center that collects recycled materials or they are picked up from recycling bins that are on the streets. The materials are then sorted, cleaned and reprocessed into new materials. There are different color bins to collect different waste materials. Blue bins for plastic, green bins for glass, red bean for metal and yellow bean for paper. Reduce, reuse and recycle. You can help by learning about and practicing the 3 R's of waste management and make a world a better place to live in. How can you reduce waste? Only buy what you need and use everything that you buy. Buy products that don't have much plastic packaging and buy things like recycled paper. Use reusable bags at supermarkets. How can you reuse things? Use washable cups or travel mugs. When you use things like plastic cups, plates, and plastic food storage bags, don't throw them away. Wash and reuse them. Things you use every day can be recycled. Aluminum cans, cardboard, glass, metal, newspaper, paper, plastic bottles, steel cans, and some of the electronic items that can be recycled. What can we not recycle? Styrofoam cups, medical sharps, paper towels and napkins, juice and milk cartons, plastic bags and chips bag. Light bulbs and electronic items cannot be recycled. Recycling is a way of life. Once you make a choice to recycle and stick to that choice every day, recycling becomes second nature, a way of life. Recycling builds community. People work together, communicate, share ideas, and support each other. Easy ways to recycle and use. Plastic jars and tins can be used as piggy banks and pen holders. Cartons can be used to store things. Old cloth can be used to make shopping bags. Mat could also be made. Waste paper can be recycled or used in artwork. You can also make files with old chart paper. Spoiled toothbrushes can be used for spray painting. Paper mache can be made with waste paper, old newspaper, chart papers not in use. Save your planet. As a good citizen, play your best role to make environment clean and forward this message to others too. Let's all recycle today. Stop, think, recycle. Save environment, save planet Earth. So my dear friends, in this session you learned about recycling is the process of taking materials ready to be thrown away and converting them into reusable materials. Recycling also helps preserve natural resources or materials that occur naturally and are used to make products. When we don't recycle or reuse, we risk depleting our natural resources. I hope you enjoyed this session. See you next time. Bye bye. Have a nice day.